Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum, little boys and girls. In the last lecture, you learned something about your title page. And you learned that nature is very beautiful and we take a lot of benefits from nature. How you will take benefit from nature? Not disturbing it, without making any harm to nature. This title page shows you that nature is very beautiful. Today we are going to read the first lesson of your book, and this is your book, book 5, and since you are a student of class 5, you are going to read the first page and the first lesson of your book. It is very interesting lesson. It is full of humor. You will laugh when you will read it. It's beautiful. It is not hard. It is not tough. It is not difficult. You have to enjoy this lesson. How you will enjoy? Before going to read the lesson, I have to tell you something about this lesson. The lesson tells you that the world in a wall. The world in a wall. The world in a wall. Some of you, your students have complained that you people need a little bit of translations. So, I'm going to say it in Urdu, if you want to learn it. The world in a wall mean दीवार में बसी हुई दुनिया. दीवार में बसी हुई दुनिया. This is the topic of your chapter. The world in a wall. Okay, boys and girls, what kind of world you expect in a wall? What kind of world you can see in a wall? You have learned that there is a world in a jungle. Jungle में दुनिया होती है. कौन सी? What type of world is in a jungle? Jungle में what type of world are? Yes, lions, leopards, beasts, bears, jackals, fox, thick trees, birds. This is the world of jungle. And if you go to the sea, if you jump into the sea, you go down into the water, what type of world there, what type of the world you will see there? You will see shark, whale, crocodile, different kinds of fishes. But in a wall of your room, in a wall of your garden, in a wall of your school, what kind of world you would see in the wall? Of course, when the wall gets old, जब दीवार पुरानी हो जाएगी, and when the wall gets lot of cracks in it, जब दीवार में बहुत सी दरारें हो जाएंगी, when the wall is full of moss, जब दीवार पे हरी हरी घास उग जाएगी, तो फिर दीवार के अंदर एक दुनिया आबाद होगी. What type of the world will be that? This will be, of course, क्या होगा? When the wall is crumbling, जब दीवार पुरानी हो जाएगी. पुरानी दीवार कौन सी होती? When there are a lot of cracks in it. When it is broken from place to place, जगह जगह से टूटी हुई हो और इसके अंदर दरारें हो, छोटी हो, बड़ी हो, फिर क्या होगा इसके अंदर? Of course, there will be insect in it. Creepers, रेंगने वाले कीड़े होंगे इसमें. There will be lizard, इसमें छपकिलियां होंगी. There will be scorpion, जिसमें scorpion होंगे. There will be spider, जिसमें spider होंगे. There will be geckos, बहुत बड़ी जंगली छिपकली होगी. Toads, मेंढक. This is the world in a wall. दीवार में बसी हुई दुनिया. The world in a wall is the world of creepers. Before going to read the lesson, there are some words that you have to know. Actually, this is a story of a little boy, and he is telling this story to you. This story is called autobiography. Autobiography. This is an autobiography. This is an autobiography. खुदनविश्त. ऑटोबायोग्राफी को क्या कहते हैं उर्दू में? खुदनविश्त. क्या कहते हैं? खुदनविश्त. इस तरह. This is खुदनविश्त. Autobiography is a story of a man where he tells something about his habits, something about the people whom he meets in the life, his activity. If I say, write your autobiography, what you will write? You will write something about yourself. You will write something of the place where you are living. आप उस जगह के बारे में लिखोगे. You will write something about your brother, about your mother, about your father, about your sister, about your habits, about your school, about your friends, about your experiences, about your games, about your success, about your happiness, about your pains. And all these activities, all these relations, all these friendship, all these experiences, when they are collected and told to someone, then this type of a story is called autobiography. What is it? What is it? Autobiography. Autobiography is a story of a man. When I write my autobiography, I will tell about myself, about my friends, about my life, about the characters whom I see and meet, about my sisters, brothers, and all the people, about games, about business, about everything. When I will personally write it, it will become an autobiography. Suppose you want to write an autobiography. You will write something about yourself, who you are, where you are living, what is your age, what is your habits, what are your hobbies, how many friends you have, and you have to write something about every friend. You will write something about your brother. Every brother must be detailed, must be written in detail. You will write about your father, about your mother, about your sister, about the city, about the games. So autobiography, when you write it, it becomes a book. It is not a short story. It becomes a book. And this book is divided into different chapters. So, little boys and girls, this is an autobiography. An autobiography. Who is the writer of this autobiography? The writer is Gerald Durrell. Gerald Durrell. Gerald Durrell. Gerald Durrell is the writer of this autobiography. He is telling you something about his childhood, about his habits, about the places where he lived, and he is writing something about the insect, creepers, and he writes something about his family and other animals. So, today you are going to learn some words. And these words are, first is autobiography. You learn it. A story of yourself. A story of your relatives. A story of your habits. A story of your toys. Anything that belongs to you personally. And when you write something about it, it will become an autobiography. This is an interesting story. You are going to learn what this writer is going to share with you. Before going to read the lesson, there are some words that you have to know. One is hunter. Hunter. Second word, hunted. Hunted. Third word, prey. Prey. What is it? Prey. And the last word is predators. 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 Now, I am going to explain these 4 words have their meanings and very interesting meaning. If you are going to kill a rabbit, if you are going to catch a rabbit, if you are going to catch a rabbit in the jungle, if you are going to catch a rabbit in a jungle, then you will be the hunter. Then you will be the hunter. And the rabbit will be the hunted. And the rabbit will be the hunted. You know, when you are in a jungle, you are going to catch a lion. You want to catch the lion in a net. Then you will be a hunter. You will be a hunter. And the lion will be hunted. After learning these 2 words, hunter and hunted, now I am going to describe these 2 words, prey. Prey and predator. Prey and predator. If you are in the jungle and you are searching a lion to catch it and to kill it, if you are in a jungle, you are searching a lion and you are going to catch it, then you will be a predator. Then you will be a predator. You will be a predator. If you are in a jungle, you are searching a lion to catch it or to kill it, you will be a predator. And the lion will be a prey. The lion will be your prey. Your prey will be the lion. You will be predator and lion will be your prey. Lion will be your prey. You know, you have heard another word. That word is pray. It is pray. It is pray. Pray the Lord. Allah से दुआ मांगे. You pray for your success. आप अपनी कामयाबी की दुआ मांगते हैं. There are difference of spelling. This is P-R-A-Y, pray. It is pray. It is pray. There is, you have to extend the accent in pray. You are praying. You pray 5 times in a day. This is pray and this is pray. This is pray. The lion is a prey of its predator. Boys and girls, you have learned so many things, but I am giving you a little homework. First homework is you have to describe what do you mean by an autobiography. What is an autobiography? You say and you learn that autobiography is a story of a man in which he tells something about his life, about his relatives, about his friends, about his experiences, about his activities and about all the places he has visited in his life. The story of a man, the personal story of a man narrated by himself or written by himself is called a biography, autobiography. Then a very simple question is, another one is, write the name of insect then you can find in a wall. Write the name of insect and creepers that you can find in an old and crumbling wall. Did you get my question? The first question is, write the name of the insect and creeper that you can find in a crumbling wall. The crumbling wall means the wall that has so many cracks in it. So the two questions, this is your homework. I'm going to repeat the question. Question 1 is, what do you mean by autobiography? And should I write the question on the board? Okay. The first question is, what do you mean? Can you see the board? Can you see? Is it visible? What do you mean by an autobiography? Autobiography. This is, what do you mean by an autobiography? Question 2, write the names. Is it? Write the names. What do you mean? Yes. What do you mean by an autobiography? Write the names of insect and creepers. Write the names of insect and creepers that you can find in a crumbling, can you see that? A crumbling wall. Little boys and girls, that you can find. Little boys and girls, I'm going to repeat the question that you have to write. First question is, what do you mean by an autobiography? Question 2, write the names of insect and creepers that you can find in a crumbling wall. You will write the names, you will write the answer, and you will show it on the line, on the WhatsApp number. You are well informed of that. Thank you very much.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.